Hi, I'm Ed Blankenship from Algorithmia, and we're the only tech startup in Pike Place Market. So we're local here, and I'm really happy to be here in Redmond again and tell you a little bit about how we're helping developers and companies add intelligence to their applications at scale. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the AI market. There's 4 parts of the life cycle that we typically see when companies are adopting artificial intelligence. So the first one is taking all the data and start to collect it. And then the second step is all about cleaning that data. And then the third step is where data scientists come in and take that clean data and start to train it into models that they can use in their applications. Now that fourth step is a really interesting one, because all of you know, as well as I, that taking it from it works on my machine, especially with data scientists, to production is a whole nother road ahead. And so that's where Algorithmia comes in to help you with that last mile, to put the right DevOps practices around to help you get to production. Now, there's a couple of problems that we see. One, every company is adding intelligence to their applications. And 2, there's some really amazing open source platforms for machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence out there. But how many people can get those open source libraries to run at scale into production? It's pretty hard. And then finally, we know that there's also a shortage of awesome talent that we need to help make this intelligence journey happen. And so Algorithmia is here to help you with building those intelligent applications and making sure that you can run those algorithms at scale. We have a common API. It's a REST API that you can use from any of your applications. And each of those algorithms run as scalable microservices. And you can see we have every platform under the sun, so any developer can run on any platform. Now, the best way for me to show you this is just to show you the product. So I'm going to go show you a couple of things. So we can run any kind of algorithm, including really intensive ones that run on GPU-based resources. So we have one here. We've been working with academic institutions to bring around their research and productionize it. So this is one called the Colorizer that takes black and white photos and turns them into color. And so it was kind of a shaky day when we went and noticed that when we announced this, it went up to the front page of Reddit, and we just got onslaughted with a ton of requests, which was awesome, right? But we were kind of at the edge of our seats. And so what was amazing is the platform did really well. It scaled out to all those requests and did an amazing job. And so this is a pretty intensive deep learning model right there. Now, if you want to actually use this algorithm or any of the other publicly available algorithms that other developers like you publish to the marketplace, you can go here. You can try the API with this console window. And then you can choose your app. Let's say we have a .NET app. And you can copy and paste this code. That's how easy it is to run any of the algorithms that are available. Now, showing you how to copy and paste codes to use the algorithms is easy. Why don't we go and create an algorithm ourselves? So I'm going to go here. I'm going to create and say, we're going to analyze some PDFs. I'll pick what language I'm going to run this in, Python, R, whatever you're using. I'm going to do a couple of things here. You can see we can also choose between CPU environment or GPU environment. I'll create that. And then what we've done is we've basically created a Git repository where now you can commit any changes you want. And then our backend will go ahead and put an API in front of it, and it's already ready for production. So to make this easy, you can use whatever IDE that you like. And then I'm going to just come here. We've got that. I'm going to compile it. Now what we're doing here is there's actually 2 algorithms I'm chaining together from the Algorithmia platform, and we're piping the data between them. So it's really easy. This one happens to be in Java, the other one happens to be R, and I'm writing in Python. So the platform can handle that. Now what's happened is it's actually gone and compiled it and deployed it out to production. So any number of devices, millions of devices can start to hit this, and the platform will start to scale. And you see we got our results back here. So that's how easy it is to both consume and to write new algorithms and publish them. And so we have 3 different ways that you can use the Algorithmia platform. You can take advantage of any of the number of 4,000 algorithms that are already in the marketplace today. You can run your own private algorithms in our hosted environment, and we'll just take care of everything for you. And then now we have the ability with Algorithmia Enterprise to deploy on premises to a private VPC environment running on any cloud. So we've been helping intelligence agencies, the US government, finance, banks, startups and SaaS services, and retail companies to run on their platform of choice. And we've been working with the Microsoft Accelerator to make sure that our platform runs really well on Azure, and we start to consume a ton of Azure resources, especially with those expensive GPU resources. So that's available today. We have tons of traction already. We have a strong developer community of 58,000 developers already. Like I mentioned, over 4,000 algorithms. And we're really happy to have closed our Series A financing that Google led through their new AI fund. We were their first investment. So it's been awesome. We have great traction. I hope you'll sign up today. It's free. And then you can come and see me in the back if you have any questions. And I really appreciate your time today. Thank you.